Hello everyone, this is Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to use Loom, the free screen recording tool that you can use in Chrome or on your computer, Mac, Windows. You can also use it on your smartphone device. You can on your Android or your iPhone. Okay, and I like this tool because it automatically uploads your video to the cloud, gives you a link that you can send to your students, and your students can give little feedback, so little emojis here and there just to show you that they viewed it. So yeah, I really like it, and there is a way to get a free pro account for educators, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. But first, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how it works. I think why it's better and why screen recordings I think are very important for online learning. All right, so here we are. I've already signed up for an account. I will send you also a video for if you need to learn how to sign up. I don't think you do. But once you sign in, great. Here you are. This is the Loom interface or the web page. You can use it by installing the Chrome extension if you're on Chrome. If you're not, you can download the desktop app for Apple or Windows computers. I'm going to just show you how to install the Chrome extension. Here we go. You can add it. Make sure you add extension. This is, I think, only in Chrome or Chromium-based browsers. Okay. Once you see it, it disappears. I know it's strange, and it gives you a message here that you need to press the pin button. I'm going to do that. Okay. And a little disclaimer, I think that the desktop app is much better, much more robust. So I'm going to press this button right now, and it's going to bring up this little menu. And I am over there in the corner. You can adjust the size of your camera. And what else can you do? You can start the recording. You can pause. Oh, these are where you can do that. And you can record your screen and camera, screen only if you don't want your camera on there, your face, and then just your camera if that's what you want to do. We're going to do it this way. You can change your microphone, your camera. Keep saying camera. You can choose full desktop or just this current tab, which is nice if you don't want to show anything else on your computer. And then once you're ready, you can press start record. The desktop app does not let you choose the file size or the size of the video. Okay, and there's one more limitation that I'll show you that I think why you should use the desktop app. But let's go. I'm going to press start record, and then I can choose which screen I want to do. You can now choose the window. You can also choose the Chrome tab. Awesome. I'm going to just choose my entire screen right here. Let's see how this goes. There's a countdown, and I'm in the corner. And you might want to start your presentation before. Okay, so here we go. But I'm going to show you how to trim something. I'm going to start again. All right, everybody, welcome to B-Level class. This is main course online with your teacher, Bob. This is week 2. Hello, everyone, and hope you had a great weekend. Make sure you fill out the student survey that I sent you. And on Thursday, if you need a COVID vaccine, please let me know. Sinovac and BioNTech will be provided by doctors. So send me a message in Teams. All right, so I think that's it. Once you're finished, you can either press that X right here. No, you don't want to press the X. X is cancel. You can pause it also while you're talking. It gives you the little timer. Unfortunately for me, when I go full screen, this gets covered up. But if you use the desktop version, it doesn't. So I'm going to go over there and check that out. I'm going to press this. You can also, there's a shortcut, Alt-Shift-L, or you can click on the extension and it'll close it. And then you'll go to your video. This is the great part, I think, is that it opens automatically. It's been uploading, so you do need internet. You can change the title. So I'm going to call this B Week 2 presentation. whatever you'd like to do. We're going to start your presentation. Hopefully you can hear that. If not, that's totally fine. And so, yeah, I can go through. So I messed up on my start. I want to find the place that I'm going to start again. All right, everybody. I'm talking fast, but I always do. So here you can do a trim video. You can start the trim. And I think it put it in the place that I was at. You can check. Yeah. All right. All right, everybody. Welcome to B-level class. All right. This is that where I wanted to be? All right. All right, everybody. Well, that's great. Okay, so press remove, and once you're finished, publish change. You can only do one trim, unfortunately. So if there's something at the end, you're not going to be able to do it. There's also call to actions. This is pretty cool. You can figure out how to do this later. So you can make something pop up, right? So here we can have something say hello. And you can do a link as well, so students can actually click on links. Oh, great. Okay, so if you're talking about Loom, maybe I'll make a link to loom.com, call this Loom, save the call to action. Where's it gonna appear? Extension. There it is. All right, everybody, welcome to B-level class. This is main course online. Cool. All right, gives you only one, but that's great. So if you're talking about something, I just learned something new. And there you go. And when you're ready, yeah, open Loom. So you can send your students to something easily without having to spell out the website for them. And once you're ready, you can press the share button. And I think the share is really cool because you can copy the link. You can also embed it. Which means that you can put it into a website and it will play on that website. So that's a cool option. And yeah, I think that's about it. Let's open up a private browser and see how this looks. You can send this to students. They'll be able to play it from any device. All right, everybody, welcome to B-level. I'm not on the camera. Oh, student survey. So this is the issue with the browser extension for Chrome for me, is that my face doesn't appear. If that's not a big deal for you, that's okay. If you're just showing a web page, also okay. I'm not sure if that works the same way in Windows. I'm going to double check. I'm going to give you a thumbs up to let you know. The cool thing is that students can press something. If you need a COVID vaccine, and these appear. Let me know. Sinovac. And you can write in there, asking for a name. Students can stay anonymous, I guess. And BioNTech. And yeah, anytime they see something that they like, you can get some feedback. There's no bad feedback, which is good. Oh no, there's a thumbs down. Not more homework, teacher. All right, and the last thing I'm going to show you is just how to use the same tool, but using the desktop app, which I think is a lot more robust. Okay, so I'm going to press the start record button. I can do all the same things, choose which screen it's on, but the nice thing, if you want to do this, is you can add different effects. It's up to you. It's not a big deal, right? You can add frames. Is it working? Turn that off. You can go full screen if you want, or big screen, smaller. You can move this around. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And there you go. This looked different before. I'm gonna do none. Yeah. Okay, and then once I press start, I can choose all these things. This one lets you also choose the video size. So if your internet's a little slow, you might want to turn that down. If your student's data is also limited, this might be a better option. I'm going to keep it in 1080. For the app, you have a little bit more settings. You can change that default. Show control menu is important. Use system audio. And if you're installing this, you might have to just allow the microphones and screen recording before it all works. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to close this. I'm going to do this again. And here we go. All right. So this is Bob. Whoops. I forgot to turn on my presentation. Okay. So I have 3. So this one's cool. It actually goes over even a full screen. It's because the power of a desktop app. I can introduce things to students. We can do the warm-ups. And maybe this is a great way to kind of get out of the class or not do so much presentations in class, let students see things. But yeah, that's Loom. I hope I explained that well. There's some more videos that I'll post about how to sign up. Oh, and just the last thing is if you have an education account, if you sign up using your .edu account, afterwards, you can go verify this account, and there's a form, a Google Forms that you fill out, and then it just verifies if that's a real institution. I'm still waiting on that. I'll let you know when that comes in, but it gives you an unlimited account with unlimited videos and 45 minutes recording time instead of just 5 minutes actually. And if you need any other help, there's some other screen recording tools that are free and available on on either Windows or on Mac. I'm going to press stop recording here. We're going to see what this looks like. Is it going to work? Maybe. Here we go. Yeah, so I can change the name. Internet's going slow. The link got copied to the clipboard already. And I recommend just, one of the things about screen recordings, and I'll make a link to the Cult of Pedagogy website. Cult of Pedagogy podcast that talks about screencasting and why it's so important and how you can do it and why being perfect is not important. It actually isn't. Kind of ingratiates you to your students when you make mistakes. So we all learn from making mistakes. This video will appear someday. It'll probably appear right here in all of my library. And there it is. Finally. Okay. So those are my videos that I can share. I can just copy the link. All right. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.